Carthage. This is some old ruins, not too far outside of the city center of Tunis. It's about like maybe 10-minute drive, 15-minute drive or so. And it has this breathtaking view overlooking the city and the ocean over here. And this park is like 12 dirhams, so it's about $4 for adults to get in. Kids are free, and it also includes like other historic sites within Tunis as well, like the Roman bath and a couple of other places. So we're gonna check out at least one of those. Jen. But yeah, let's check out this this site here. It's very beautiful from what I've seen online. So it says here that this was built in year 196 and abandoned in 1207 to 1574. This is very, very old, people. And here's a picture of what it looked like under construction, potentially. And this is called the Punig district. It is very famous because they would bring visitors here, and they have a beautiful view that the people can see of the town, and like I said, the water in the backdrop. So this probably was an amazing structure back then. I would love to have seen it. Maybe. Looks very old too. So you see the mixture of the architecture from like the original people of Tunis or Tunisia, and also when the Romans came here in 146 BC when they started destroying some of the archaeological places here and kind of building like their own. So you have like the Catholic influence here. You see the Roman pillars and different other statues and things of the Roman people. So now we're heading we're in La Marsa, which is like right here by the ocean, the Mediterranean, and we're gonna check out a mosque and grab some lunch and maybe the beach. This is a very beautiful area. It looks very much like Greece or the south of, a little bit of the south of Spain, a little bit too. So this is a very beautiful neighborhood here with this whitewashed houses, the blue doors, and painting around the windows. And here we have this mosque. Oh, come on. Just look at it. It's a very, very beautiful city. Very friendly people as well. check out this place and have lunch, which is a beautiful view of the beach. Just check it out. Everything looks good. We have a mixed platter here, so sausage, chicken, and lamb. I'm excited to try this. Hey guys, so right now we're at Lake Tunisa, which is right down the street from our Airbnb. We were trying to hit a few sites, like monuments and mosques and stuff like that, like in the city center, but the traffic is insane, no place to park, very chaotic. We thought it'd be more relaxed and chill because it's Ramadan, but everyone's always consistently out here, more so than they were when Ramadan got started. Morning, noon, and night, it's total traffic, which is weird because most places aren't closed until later on in the afternoon. So it's nice to kind of head back, and it's worth the headache and the hassle. So I was going to check out this lake before we head back home, and then we're leaving here in a couple days to Qatar. So the best place to go is the La Marsa area, which is